Alrighty, I got a 2000 Chevy Cavalier. It's a very basic car. Actually, this is gonna be mine, like, not even only with the Buick Century, if you guys didn't know that. This is my grandpa's car. So basically, it's gonna pass over to me someday. It's pretty nice. Yeah, we're just gonna show you this side, cause you know, the car's locked and it's manual locks, manual windows, everything. It has 100-some thousand miles. I'm not sure how much. Wow, this thing is nice. Nice. I like that car. Lock it back up. Alright, let's fire this baby up. I heard it does have a muffler issue, so it may be loud. Very nice interior. Let's hop in here. Alright, let's see how many miles are on her. Whoa, 103,636 miles. Alright, let's do this. Wow, that sounds awesome. Ooh, has a little problem with the, you know, thing. See if it goes into gear. Yeah, it does, but it's not very good. I can't even rev it. Alright, let's get an exhaust clip. I want to hear what this thing sounds like. Show you the back. That sounds sweet. That sounds sweet, man. Show you the engine compartment. Roll down the window. Pretty badass car, let me tell you. This used to be my mom's car in my early childhood years. Man, what a memory. What a memory. Man, this thing's a huge memory. Wow. Not too much. Oh well. That is pretty dang awesome. I haven't seen this car, gosh, how many years. Best video ever. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care. And by the way, that was a 4-cylinder 2200 4-cylinder from Chevy. And this thing ain't in the best shape, but it's gonna be my project car. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.